Good day, class. Welcome to Playing Tricks in Mathematics. Today, we want to look at multiples and common multiples of numbers in mathematics. What are multiples? Multiples of a number are numbers that such a number can divide without any remainder. Let's look at it like this. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and many more. All these are multiples of 3. What we are saying is that all these are numbers that 3 can divide without any remainder. So they are all multiples of 3. Now let's look at it like this. Let's pick 18 as a number. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Because 3 can divide 18 without any remainder. So 3 is a factor of 18, right? Because 18 can be divided by 3 without any remainder. Then 18 is a multiple of 3. Because 18 is a number that 3 can divide. Multiple of a number is a number that number can divide without any remainder. Let's now put 3 in our definition. Multiple of 3 is a number that 3 can divide without any remainder. Now let's say in terms of multiples. Multiples of 3 are numbers that 3 can divide without any remainder. 3 is a factor because it can divide 18. So 3 is a factor of 18 because it can divide 18 without any remainder. Why 18 is a multiple of 3? Because 3 can divide it without any remainder. Please try to understand the concept. Let's look at examples to guide us. Let's have a question that says find the next 6 multiples of 1, 15, 2, 7, 3, 11. We want to look at how to find multiples of these numbers. Let's start with 1. Multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, and many more. What we are doing is that we are adding 15 to the resulting number, or you are adding 15 to the result you get after the initial addition. Let's start. 15. We had 15 to eat to have 30. 30. We had 15 to eat to have 45. 60, 75, 90, 105. That's how you 105. That is how you continue adding until you want to stop. All these are multiples of 15. That is, these are numbers that 15 can divide easily without any remainder. Let's look at the second example. We want to look at multiples of 7. That is, we want to look at numbers that 7 can divide without any remainder. So multiples of 7 are 7 itself, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, and many more. These are multiples of 7. That is, these are numbers that 7 can divide without any remainder. Let's look at example 3. 11. Multiples. I want to look at multiples of 11. So multiples of 11 are 11 itself, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, and many more. All these are multiples of 11. That is, these are numbers that 11 can divide without any remainder. Don't forget the difference between multiples and factors. Factors are numbers that you use to divide. Why? Multiples are numbers you divide. For example, 2 can divide 4. 2 is a factor of 4. Why? 4 is a multiple of 2. Because 4 is a number that 2 can divide. Please understand that concept. Let us look at common multiples. What is the meaning of common multiples? Common multiples are multiples that are common to 2 or more numbers. Let's say you have 2 numbers. You have gotten the multiples of the first number and you have gotten the multiples of the second number. Then you now look at them. What are the common multiples between them? So when you choose those multiples that are common, then what you have is what we normally call common multiples. Now, let us look at how to find common multiples of numbers in mathematics. The other time we explained how you can find multiples of a number. Now I want to look at how to find common multiples of numbers. Let us use examples to guide us. Let's say we have a question that says, find the first two common multiples of the following. 1, 2, and 3. 2, 3, and 5. 3, 2, 3, and 4. So let's start with the first question. Now, multiples of 2 are 2 itself, 4, 6, adding another 2, 8, another 2, 10, another 2, 12, another 2, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. So these are multiples of 2. Let's look at multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 are 3 itself, another 3, 6, another 3, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Let's leave it like that. You can still continue if you wish. Now, I want to look at the common ones. We have 2 here, there's no 2 here, so we can't pick it. 4, no 4 here. The first one we can see is 6. We have 6 here. We can also see 6 here. Alright. We have 18 here. We also have 18. So that means 6 and 18 are the first 2 common multiples of 2 and 3. So therefore, 6 and 18 are the first common multiples of 2 and 3. So 6 and 18. And if you look at it very well, 2 can divide 6, 2 can divide 18. 3 can divide 6, 3 can divide 18. Let us look at the second question. That is 2. The multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 are, like we did the other time, 3, another 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on. Multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 are 5, another 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, right? 30, 35, 40, 45, and so on. Let's complete this one to 30. 24, 27, 30. So you can still continue. The first 2 common multiples of 3 and 5 are, first one, let's look at it. No 5, no 3 here. The first one we see 15 here, we see 15 here, right? Then we see 30 here, we see 30 here. 15 and 30. And if you look at it closely, you see that 3 can divide 15, can also divide 30. So 15 and 30 are multiples of 3. 5 can also divide 15, can also divide 30. So 15 and 30 are multiples of 5. That is it. Let us now look at the last question. Question 3. We want to look at the first 2 common multiples of 2, 3, and 4. So let's start with 2. Multiples of 2 are 2, another 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, and more. Let's look at multiples of 3 are 3 itself, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, many more. Let's look at multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are 4 itself, 8, another 4, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, and many more. So let's look at the first two common multiples of 2, 3, and 4. First, we can see 6 common to all of, no, 6 is not common. 6 is here, is not here, right? If you go with 8, 8 is here, 8 is not here, 8 is here. If you go with 10, 10 is here, 10 is not here, 10 is not here. Then let's go with 12. 12 can go around. We have 12 here. We have 12 here. Alright? We also have 12 here. Let's look at the next one. If you pick 15, 15 is here. Let's look at 24 is here. Alright? You can see 24 here. You can also see 24 here. So therefore, 12 and 24 are the first two common multiples of 2, 3, and 4. And if you look at it closely, 2 can divide 12, can divide 24. 3 can divide 12, can divide 24. 4 can divide 12, can divide 24. So far, so good. That is how to tackle multiples and common multiples of numbers in mathematics. Follow all the steps we have explained, and you will not have any issue finding the multiples of numbers or finding the common multiples of numbers in mathematics. Thank you for watching and listening. Help to share this video and other videos on our channel. Like this video and other videos on our channel. Make your comments so we can know how far we are doing with you. And subscribe to the channel. See you next time.